Okay, Jack, so your best paper 2 performance so far has been 40, so let's see how you get on this time. 524 is right, 486 is right, 125 is right, but they don't add up to 1534. You should be able to do this. 5% as a decimal is 0.05. Think about writing 5 pence if you had to write it in terms of pounds, and then you multiply that by your answer to get that answer. That's right. 58 is good. Need centimetre squared there. Luckily this question doesn't ask you to give you units, otherwise you would have lost a mark. 7 for the page. Good, well done. And that's excellent as well. So 6, 8 for the page. 40, 110, that's good. 1470, 70 quid, excellent. That's good. That shape is a kite. So you lose a mark there. 8, 10, 13 for the page. Obtuse is correct. Let's take a look at this triangle. So you can see there that the angle is wrong, because the angle should be steeper, and also you can see that yours is too big. It's too long for 9 centimeters. So your angle is wrong, your side is wrong. You need to label the point, but you've made a triangle, so you get a mark. Up 3, that's good. 34 and 38 as well. So that's 9 for the page. 1.5 is fine. 10 is fine. 36, 5, 18, 2x and 7y, good. 10 for the page. 50 is correct, 16 isn't, because you haven't read the question carefully enough. At least 25 means that there could be 26 or 27 sweets in the bag as well. So it's not just 16 that are 25. There are 50 bags. You want to find out how many sweets. So when I was trying to explain this type of question the other week, I was saying take a column and make sure you understand what that column is saying. So this column here is saying there are 12 bags, each with 24 sweets in. So if you want to work out how many sweets there are just in that column alone, you would multiply those together and you get 288. And then you would do the same for each of these other ones and work out what that is, and that gives you the total. 182 is correct, well done. Good, use a pencil when you're doing that. 9 marks for that page. Right, let's check your bearings. Okay, so you can see that your angle is slightly smaller than mine, but it's good enough, and that's close enough as well. So you're going to get the 5 marks for that. These are utility bills. Okay, they're on the site, Foundation Tier Topics. Look for utility bills, print them off, watch me do a couple, and then have a go at some yourself. I can't see anything I can give you marks for there. The 39.2 is right, but then you've done the wrong thing with it in order to work out what the difference is. So there's no method there for me to give you any credit. That's good. these are things we'll be going through in class, nth terms and sequences. That's wrong, I'll go over it in class. This is work we were doing last week, where you find the midpoint, times that, then add all those up. So the midpoint is going to be half of 4 and so on. Okay, so see my solution, you should be able to do that. This one, that's too small, 0.7. You've worked out wrongly. So there's a method because you're searching, but you're not going to get any further marks because you haven't got it down to between 2 consecutive 1 decimal place numbers. So there's only 1 mark on that last page. Right, so as I was saying, Jack, your best paper 2 is 40. 7, 15, 28, 37, 47, 47, 56, 61, 65, 66. Well done. That comes in as a C, just about, but it's much better than your last efforts, and there are lots of marks in there that you've left behind that you were more than capable of getting.